From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your Wednesday afternoon forecast. Let's jump right into satellite radar from earlier today. We could see there was a lot of rain coming up from that coastal low that made its way up the eastern seaboard here. A lot of southeastern Pennsylvania and parts of Harrisburg, and even extending a teeny bit into Center County. We're seeing some rain and some precipitation, but I do want to remind you guys that we are in a drought right now. We're at a 1 out of 5 here in Center County for most of Center County, and parts of the Commonwealth are not faring much better here. Just to our northwest, there is a 2 out of 5 on the drought monitor, and that 2 out of 5 west of Pittsburgh has been upgraded to a 3 out of 5. We are approaching exceptionally dry for this time of year. We actually tied the driest period from August 1st until today's date with about 1 inch and a change of some rain. So we need rain here in Center County. It will affect things such as fall foliage as well as crop yields for corn and pumpkins. But I wanted to see when we can see some rain next. Well, unfortunately, the graph model does not have much for us going in through today. As that rain clears out from today, it's going to bring in some clear skies, no clouds. It's going to be precipitation and cloud free through the end of tomorrow. Not much rain on the horizon here in central Pennsylvania. This is what the graph model is saying about precipitation totals. Harrisburg will have picked up over 1 inch, almost 1.5 inches of rain, but as you move further east, those rain totals fall off a cliff. Not even 1/10 of an inch here in Philadelphia, almost 1/10 in Scranton, but nothing here in State College. Now I want to take a look at our temperature trend. What can we expect to feel when we head outside? Today was pretty mild in the mid-70s, but we're going to warm back up in time for Thursday. 83 degrees and then back down to 82 on Friday. We're going to cool down into the mid-70s for the weekend. No Penn State football. We're on a bye week, but if you have any plans on Saturday, they should be looking more fall-like and more comfortable before warming back up to the high 70s on Monday. Here is your forecast for tonight. The temperature going to be 54 degrees, partly cloudy. Potential for some rain. We're not quite sure yet how much of an impact that coastal low will have, but there is a small chance for some rain. And here is the forecast for tomorrow, 84 degrees. It's going to be some fog in the morning here, and it will be a little bit more cloudy than it was today, but those clouds will move out in time for the weekend. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. That fog Thursday, 84 degrees. Friday and Saturday looking mostly sunny right now, 83 and 76 respectively, before the clouds move back in on Sunday to cool things off down to 75 before back up to almost 80 on Monday, and then 80s through Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Have a great rest of your day.